Is your business ready for a more reliable punching system? Your business is growing, and so are your document binding needs. The system you're using just doesn't have what it takes to keep up with your tight deadlines and all the binding you have to do. It's time to consider the productivity and efficiency of the Elektrisk GBC Modular Punch 2000. With GBC's Modular Punch 2000, you have the ability to stack the punch with the bind station so you can punch and immediately bind the document. Or you can separate the punch from the bind station so two people can punch and bind simultaneously for increased productivity. Stacking the two systems saves on critical office space. Document binding has never been easier or more affordable with the Modular Punch 2000. Whether you're using plastic comb, twin loop wire, or plastic coil binding systems, you can benefit from the reliable electric punching of the GBC Modular Punch 2000. With a Modular Punch 2000, you'll reap the benefits of simple setup, low training requirements, and ease of use. The simple setup of this system makes it suitable for any office environment. An intuitive, straightforward design means that even inexperienced users can easily operate the system with no special training. And the Modular Punch 2000's quiet operation ensures binding jobs are completed with little distractions to your environment. The Modular Punch's adjustable edge guide helps you quickly and accurately align paper in the punch throat. This ensures that finished documents are properly punched regardless of the size. Convenient alignment marks on the punching deck quickly point out correct edge guide placements for a variety of document sizes. With the Modular Punch 2000, you can punch a variety of sheet sizes, including 8.5 inches and 11 inches, as well as international A4 and A5 sizes. The open punching throat also gives you the option to punch larger sheet sizes in 2 steps. Adjustable selector pins allow the user to punch a variety of sheet sizes and disengage certain punch pins to prevent nicks on the edges of paper. The plastic binding version also features a depth of punch control to adjust the distance from the edge of the hole to the edge of the paper. No matter what size binding element you use, you can select the depth of punch that holds pages securely and yet also allows them to turn freely. The depth of punch control offers 2 positions to accommodate the full range of binding element sizes. The front-loading chip tray is larger in size than most desktop punching systems. This means you can punch more paper without having to stop and empty the chip tray. Easy front access to the tray allows for quicker maintenance and less paper debris in your work area. The Modular Punch 2000 offers greater punching capacity than many systems used in the office today. The Modular Punch features a vertical punch throat, punching up to 20 sheets in plastic binding, 16 sheets in twin loop wire, or 14 sheets in the color coil pattern. Research shows that vertical punching is easier to use than horizontal punching, delivering better alignment of all sheets in the punch throat and eliminating punch skew. The Modular Punch 2000 is a highly versatile punch machine that can handle all of your punching needs. 2 easy-to-use punching controls allow users to select the best method for punching documents. Choose from a punch button or a foot pedal for hands-free punching. The level horizontal surface makes the Modular Punch 2000 so stackable that any GBC modular bind station fits neatly on top. Counter space is scarce in today's expanding office environment. With the Modular series from GBC, you no longer have to worry about allocating more space than necessary to your binding systems. When rush binding jobs occur, you have the option of separating your punch and bind systems. One person can punch using the Modular Punch 2000, while the second person is binding with a GBC modular bind station. Separate punch and bind stations mean twice the productivity. Tight deadlines for your projects require that your binding is hassle-free. To prevent downtime from punching too much paper at one time, the Modular Punch 2000 offers GBC's exclusive jam stopper feature. The system begins to punch, senses a possible jam condition due to overloaded sheet capacity or extra thick material, and retracts the die sets from the document. At this point, the operator can remove the undamaged document and separate it into smaller stacks for repunching. Downtime due to jamming is prevented, and your important binding jobs are completed on time. GBC knows that you expect punches to be rugged and durable. That's why we build the Modular Punch 2000 to last. All metal construction offers extra durability over systems made with a large number of plastic parts. The aluminum die-cast base and sides of the punch help provide greater stability for those rigorous punching jobs. The dies are also staggered so that fewer pins are punching at one time, resulting in less wear and tear on the system. Paper is punched cleanly with minimal effort, giving the Modular Punch 2000 a longer life. Greater durability equates to fewer breakdowns and significantly improved reliability. In the unlikely event that a problem does occur, you can count on GBC's network of highly trained service technicians and our industry-leading factory exchange program to quickly get your machine back up and running. This means that you can depend on the Modular Punch 2000 even during crunch times when you can't afford downtime and work stoppages. The Modular Punch 2000 was designed to ensure operator safety because GBC cares about the safety of you and your employees. GBC's commitment to safety has led us to have our systems tested by the world's leading safety agencies. You can rest assured the Modular Punch 2000 fully complies with UL and Canadian standard requirements as certified by CSA. The international version of the Modular Punch 2000 has full safety licensing from TUV Product Service and carries the CE mark as well.
My name is Susie Murdoch. I work for Parkside Associates. I'm a copy and binding specialist. I receive reports in which I take them to be copied and I bind them and then I ship them to our clientele. The reason I like the 2000 PB is it's open throat. The open throat feature on the 2000 PB is very simple to use. It's just sliding your paper through, just like that, and getting a perfect punch every time. Another feature that I like about the 2000 PB is that it has a thicker lined marking for the type of paper that you might be using. And I use typically the 11-inch and the oversized cover. And it has a locking knob, which I like because when sliding in paper, it will not move. When we have small and large jobs, it's versatile. And when I have a smaller job in which only I am handling it, I can stack the two pieces, and therefore it takes up less space. And when I do have a larger job in which we can have two people working on it, having one punching and one binding, the fact that we can remove it and put ourselves side to side and have just one going, the more hands that we can get in there to get it done quicker, the happier our clients will be.